Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to check IMEI number in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you check your IMEI number in Redmi phone? Today I will talk about this setting in this video guys. So before starting video friends, if you are new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So let's start video friends. First of all, open your setting app and guys click on about phone. Click on our space guys, space, and guys status guys you can see here. So guys we will click here. First guys you can see IMEI number, IMEI number 2 and IMEI number 1. Both of number guys IMEI you can check in your Redmi 10 phone guys. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video guys. I think you have understood how to check IMEI number. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my videos.